It's your boy Tyrell, and today we want to make a very simple, easy, tasty, nutritious, delicious vegan snack. My boys right here. What are you talking about?
I've been waiting for it like a long line. You search the world and you won't find a nigga like me with a swagger like mine. A brother so free and a nigga so fly. I'ma give you my heart, I'ma give you my time, and I promise always.
Alright guys, so I'm going to show you the list of ingredients that you're going to need to make this quick, easy vegan snack. I love Dave's Killer Bread. It's an organic bread, 21 whole grains and seeds. Now listen, my man Dave, if you're out there, I need you to call me, man. I need a sponsorship because I eat your bread all the time. Alright, this bread right here is amazing. You can get this at like Giant or Target. Alright, so this, you got some bread, peanut butter. Alright, now you see that right there. That says creamy. It don't say crunchy. Alright, I don't like crunchy peanut butter that much, man. If it's like a last resort type of thing, I'll eat it, but I'm more of a creamy type of person. You're gonna need some raisins. Any kind of raisins you like. I prefer these. You're gonna need some of that ground cinnamon, man. Ground cinnamon. And I go bananas for bananas. You're gonna need yourself a banana. So first thing you need to do is you need to toast the bread. Alright, now if you don't have a toaster, I'm gonna show you an alternative, which is this skillet right here. If you don't have a toaster or a stove, you can still make it, it just won't be toasted. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is get your bread and just go ahead and just set it on there. Let it toast on both sides. And while that's toasting, I'm gonna cut up this banana. I'm gonna show you guys a little trick, right? So if you don't want to waste dishes, man, just cut your banana on the banana peel. Alright, that's all you gotta do. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut this up. I'm gonna take this part off though. Nobody likes this part. This is like the end piece of bread equivalent. It's the banana version of the end piece of bread. If you like this part, something wrong with you, man. So I'm gonna go ahead and just gonna slice the banana up. You know what I'm saying? I can go fast like those chefs, man. I can. It's that end piece of bread right there. You don't need that. All right. So I'm gonna let this toast up, and then I'm gonna show you what it's look. And then I'm gonna show you what it looked like. Y'all stay tuned. Comment below if you know what movie this is from. All right. Got my man Smokey, Felicia, Craig. You know, Ice Cube, Chris Tucker. Bye, Felicia. Go ahead and comment below if you know what movie this is from. Also, be looking out for my full day of eating video. Alright? By the time I post this video, my full day of eating video will come after that. Alright? So be on the lookout. So as you see, we got the bread nice and toasted, ready to get dressed. You're just gonna go ahead and get that peanut butter first, man. Alright? That nice creamy peanut butter. Just gonna take the bread, real simple, man. Just spread it on there. Get it nice and dressed with peanut butter. You like that, don't you? Look at Gunner. You want some? Yeah, I know, man. Hey, Gunner wants some of this vegan snack too, man. He's like, I want a vegan snack. I'm like Dr. Doolittle, man. I can talk to dogs. Talk to animals, man. You're gonna go ahead and dress them both up. Yeah, you hear that crunch sound? Hey, if you don't got that toaster or that skillet, man, you ain't gonna hear that crunch sound. You know what I'm saying? Alright, once that peanut butter's on there, you're gonna go ahead with the bananas, okay? I'm gonna make me a smiley face. Alright, this dude got a big old eye. Got them bug eyes. Alright, now take some little ones. This dude like he got glasses on. Make a nice smiley face. Alright, this one right here, he like, I wanna be happy too. I want a smiley face. Let's go, I'm gonna give you a smiley face too, man. Put your eyes close together though. You know what I'm saying? You'll have one of those big old smiles. Alright. Got my smiley face. This dude, I'm gonna spread his eyes out, man. I ain't gonna set my man up. I'm dressing nice. You feel me? There you go. This one right here look better though. Then after you put the bananas on there, you get the raisins. And as you see, everyone loves raisins. I'm just gonna go ahead and just go ahead and put them on there wherever you want it, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna get this dude some hair, man. He gonna have those Justin Bieber bangs. Baby, 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 ooh. Can't tell me that I look like Justin Bieber right there. You know what I'm just gonna get this dude some hair. Get this dude a mustache. Got a little Italian mustache, man. It's spicy, the meatballs. Vegan meatball though. Just put it on there, man. Just have fun, man. When you cooking, making snacks, man, just have fun. Alright? Then, finishing touches. That ground cinnamon, alright? Just want to go ahead and just sprinkle it on there, man. I'm telling you, this ground cinnamon is going to set it off, man. You smell that once you got it. I know, man. Guys, there you have it. Quick, simple, easy, delicious vegan snack. Alright, I'm gonna do a taste test real quick though, just for you guys. Let me get this one right here. Let's go ahead and just taste it. Yo, this right here, listen, go make it, go to Wegmans, tell them I sent you, get the ingredients, and make this. Like, comment, subscribe, and I will see y'all next video. What are you talking about? If you don't have a toaster, I'm going to show you an alternative, which is this skillet right here. Now, if you don't have a toaster and you don't have a skillet, you probably shouldn't be watching this video. No. Cut it. Right? Yeah. But yeah, if you don't have a skillet or a toaster. Alright, now if you hold on, man. Alright, ready? Alright, now if you don't have a toaster or a skillet, you can still make it, but it just won't be toasted. Alright, if you don't have a toaster or a skillet, oh hell no.